Hello, so this quick tutorial is just for all the students that had questions on how to write an email to their teachers. For those of you that already know how to do this, you don't have to watch it, but for those that don't, I hope this helps you. So basically, if you go to your Google page, it's gonna look something like this. Let me switch my accounts. Okay, right? You will either see this right here, Gmail. You can click on that and it'll send you right to your email account. Or you can click on these little squares right here and it'll pop up right there. Or if you are on this page, you guys would go into students, but I am staff, and a little icon should pop up as well. So you can go into your Gmail in any way, in any of those three ways. So once you are here, you are going to go to Compose, click on it, and then this will pop up. Where it says to, you are going to put your teacher's email. If you don't know your teacher's email, you can always check on, I think they should have them on Schoology, or you could just put your teacher's name and their email should pop up. So you would just click on it. Once you have who you're sending it to, you are going to put a subject in the subject line. And this just helps your teacher know before opening up your message what it is that it's going to be about. So here you could put, for example, homework help, right? Or questions on homework. And then you can even put the date that the homework was put up. This would just, help your teachers out knowing what it is this email is going to be about before opening. So this is where you're actually going to start writing your email. And you want to start off by saying, "Dear," and then you would address your teacher. So, "Dear Miss Grace," right? And of course, you guys would just put the teacher that you are writing to right there. And a comma, double space, and then you are going to start your first paragraph. And in this first paragraph, you just quickly write what it is that you need help with, right? Or like, why are you writing this email? So you can put something like, "I need help with homework 4.5. I am stuck on question 6. Right? You can write something simple like this for your first paragraph. It could be 1 to 2 sentences. In an email, that would be considered a paragraph. So once you have that done, you go on to your second paragraph. And this is where you just are more specific on what you want help on or what you got stuck on, right? So you can put, "I did not understand the instructions," or "I got stuck on how to," right? So you just continue, you explain to your teacher exactly what you got stuck on, or more specifically what your question was. Once you have your second paragraph done, you would hit enter about like 3 times, and then you would end your email with, "Thank you for your help," comma, then hit enter, and then you could just put your name. like that. Here too, you can put like, thank you for your help. Yeah. Okay. So once you are done making your email, you would just hit send and just wait for your teacher to reply back. I hope this helps some of you guys.